Friends, today we are starting another modification of 12 that is known as transposed or rearranged 12. Already we have taken few modifications, so now you are acquainted with modifications of 12, how we can produce different modifications. And in most of the cases you have seen an original 12 or an original or an ordinary 12 or regular 12 we are taking as the base, and that is serving as the PEC plan, and with the help of that PEC plan and a particular draft, a particular constituted draft or constructed draft for a particular design, that with the help of that draft and that lifting plan, it results in a particular modification of 12. For example, we have taken wave 12, which is based on pointed draft. Then we have taken herringbone 12, based on herringbone draft. And then we have taken curved 12, that is based on curved draft. Broken 12, broken draft. These drafts are generally associated with only those type of 12s. They cannot be used generally, just like we are using straight draft, skip draft, satin draft, or your these three drafts. They are having their general use, and particularly straight draft is most widely and generally used draft. But for some specific uses or for some specific advantages, we are having different types of drafts, and these drafts are generally associated with that particular view only. So today we are taking transposed or rearranged 12, and these transposed or rearranged 12s, as the name suggests, can be produced by transposition or rearrangement of the 12s. These effects can be produced by transposition or rearrangement of the original order of the threads in a regular 12. So regular 12 we are taking as the base, and whatever the original order of the threads is there in the regular 12, that order can be transposed or can be rearranged. And the 12s or such effects which are produced by transposition or rearrangement of the original order of the threads in a regular 12 are known as transposed or rearranged 12s. Transposition or rearrangement of both the warp and weft is possible. Means we can transpose a group of threads which are part of warp and a group of threads which are part of weft. Means we can the transposition or rearrangement can take place warp-wise as well as weft-wise. So if we are doing it warp-wise, this is end-wise transposition, and when we are doing weft-wise, it is peak-wise transposition. So both type of effects can be produced, but similar as the previous effects we have taken, generally end-wise or the horizontal methods, horizontal effects are preferred over vertical effects. So we'll try to understand the construction part of transpose or rearranged tool here. So transpose or rearranged tools can be constructed by following these steps. The first step, and steps are more or less common in broken twill and transposed twill. So if you remember the method of construction of broken twill, then you will be very easily, you will be understand it very easily, the steps of construction of transpose or rearranged tools. So first step is construct a transposed draft on the basis of straight draft in given hills, that is n, and required ends per repeat. So whatever is ends per repeat or number of hills are given, and if only number of hills are given, we are deciding, we are calculating the number of ends per repeat and picks per repeat, and number of hills that we can obtain from the original twill. Whatever the number of hills or number of threads are there in the original twill, that will be n. So n you can n we will get if the base twill is given. So if the base twill is given, you can calculate EPR and PPR, or if EPR and PPR is given, you can get the base twill, you can find out n. So first construct a transposed draft, and we will learn how we can construct transposed draft. That is the only thing, that is the only change which we have to learn as compared to broken twill. In that case, we were constructing a broken draft, Here we are first constructing a transpose draft. In second step, similar as the previous 12, indicate base twill as peg plan. जो भी base twill, original twill आप ले रहे हैं, like 2 up 2 down, 3 up 3 down, 4 up 4 down, or any other interlacing order you are taking for twill, that will serve as the base twill, and that base twill will be taken as peg plan. So in case of peg plan, we have to indicate the ordinary or regular twill which we are taking as the base, and then construct transpose twill from them. जब ड्राफ्ट आपने बना लिया और लिफ्टिंग प्लान भी आपने बना लिया, तो with the help of this draft and lifting plan, from them we can construct transpose twill just by following the method of construction of view from given draft and lifting plan. So the most important thing in the construction of transpose twill, same as broken twill, is construction of draft. The suitable draft, that is transpose draft here. In case of broken twill, it is broken draft. So how we can construct, or what are the steps we have to follow to construct transpose draft, that we will see in the next slide. So here, steps of construction of transpose drafts are given here. And to understand this with the help of example, again, we are taking an even-sided or balanced twill, a very simple regular twill, 4 up 4 down, which is constructed in 8 cross 8, 4 plus 4. So ends per repeat is 8 and picks per repeat is 8, and number of heels required is also 8. So n is 8 if we are taking the example of 4 up 4 down twill. So first step of construction of transpose draft is decide group of threads to be transposed. Just like in the broken twill, we are taking a breaking unit. Similarly, here we are taking group of threads, and that is indicated by G. In that case, we were using a letter B. Here we are using G. So you can understand it similar as broken twill. Instead of B, we are using G, and G represents group of threads to be transposed. कितने number of threads को हमें एक ग्रुप बनाना है और उन्हीं को ट्रांसपोज करना है, that is known as G. And this G varies from 2 to n-1, यानी कि 1 से ज्यादा कोई भी नंबर हम ले सकते हैं और n-1 तक कोई भी नंबर ले सकते हैं. For example, we are taking 8 cross 8, so you can take G equal to 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. But as I have suggested, it is easy and it is better to use the number for G less than n/2. So here 8, n/2 is 4. So we can use 2, 3, or 4. And I'm taking examples which are based on group size equal to 2, 3, and 4. So with these 3 examples, it will be clear how we can construct transpose draft. And once we construct transpose draft, by taking the base twill as a lifting plan, we can construct transpose twill. So first step is decide group of threads to be transposed. And second is decide size of transpose twill depending on G and N. Second, the most important step for all the modification of twill is determination of size of the twill, जो हम बनाने जा रहे हैं, like here transpose twill, and that is depending on what G you are taking and what N is given, number of heels in the original twill or number of threads in the original twill. So depending on group size and number of threads in the original twill, G and N, we can decide the size of transpose twill. So similarly, as broken twill, if there we have taken, if B is factor of N, here we are taking if G is factor of N. ये जो group of threads आप ले रहे हैं, if suppose it is factor of N, then size of the transpose twill will be N cross N. यानी कि जो size आपका original twill का है, वही size आपका इसका भी रहेगा, transpose twill या rearrange twill का भी. If G is factor of N, and here we are taking examples like if G is equal to 4 or G is equal to 2. So in case of N equal to 8, G is also factor of 8, 4 is also factor of 8, and here G equal to 2, that is also factor of 8. So these are the 2 examples we are taking of group size 4 and 2, which in this case, G is factor of N. So if G is factor of N, then size will be 8 cross 8. So if G is a factor of N, here it is factor, so size will be 8 cross 8. So in this way, we first decide the size of the transpose twill which we have to produce. or which we have to construct. And then as given in the steps, first construct a straight draft in given hills and EPR. EPR is 8, hills are also 8. So we will construct a straight draft by using numbers method 1 to 8. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is 8 ends per repeat. Now make the groups according to group size given. So group size is 4. It means 4 threads का एक group बनेगा. So हमने 1, 2, 3, 4 का एक group बना लिया और 5, 6, 7, 8 का एक group बना लिया. These 4 threads are in one group, first 4 threads, and next 4 are in the next group. So total we have 2 groups in this case. If 8 ends per repeat is there. Now you can construct transpose draft just by transposing all the groups, just by rearranging all the groups. So if it is 1, 2, 3, 4, it can be rearranged as 4, 3, 2, 1, just reverse. If it is 5, 6, 7, 8, it can be rearranged as 8, 7, 6, 5, just reverse. यहाँ हम just reverse में हमने start किया. So 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 7, 6, 5. किसी का mic unmute है? Please mute कर लें उसको, because it creates disturbance to others. So a new draft will be there that is termed as transpose draft, that is 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 7, 6, 5, and having 8 ends per repeat. So in this way we can construct a transpose draft by using numbers method. Then if group size is 2, again it is factor of 8, and so size will be 8 cross 8. N into N. Again make the groups similar as the previous example, but group size is 2, so 2 threads are in one group. Class representatives, please mic is unmuted, and please inform him who is this and ask these students जो भी इस तरह की एक्टिविटी करते हैं उनको क्लास के बाद मेरे से बात करें. Who is this Nathu Singh, roll number 42? Garvit is there?
Yes, sir.
Garvit, who is Nathu Singh? Please inform him.
Yes, sir.
If group size is 2, then size will be 8 cross 8. We are making groups here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means groups of 2 threads, groups of 2 threads, groups of 2 threads, and groups of 2 threads. So total 4 groups will be there, and 8 ends per repeat is there. Now you can convert it into transpose draft just by transposing or rearranging all the groups. So 1, 2 is reversed as 2, 1, 3, 4 is reversed as 4, 3, 5, 6 is rearranged as 6, 5, 7, 8 is rearranged as 8, 7. And we are getting a new draft which is known as transpose draft in 8 ends per repeat, 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5, 8, 7. In this way, it will be easier. First, you construct the transpose draft by using numbers method with the help of straight draft, and then convert this method from numbering method to graph paper method. And here one design is shown. This is 2 examples I have taken here. First is transpose 12 in 8 cross 8. Another is also transpose 12 in 8 cross 8. And here you can see we are taking base 12 in 8 cross 8. That is 3 up, 2 down, 1 up, 2 down. Instead of taking 4 up, 4 down continuously, I have changed this interlacing order so that you will be acquainted with new interlacing orders also. It is 3 up, 2 down, 1 up, 2 down. 2 interlacings are combined together. Within one view, instead of taking like one interlacing only 4 up, 4 down, or 3 up, 3 down, here we are taking 3 up, 2 down, 1 up, 2 down. So 3 plus 1, 4, 2 plus 2, 4. Overall, it is 8 cross 8. So in 8 cross 8, that is also one of the possible variation of interlacing, or one of the possible variation of 12, 3 up, 2 down, 1 up, 2 down. So just to get knowledge of these type of twists also, Instead of taking simple example of 4 up 4 down 12, I'm taking this example. So here you can see I have taken here, I have indicated lifting plan here in 8 cross 8 because we have 8 hill frames and 8 is the picks per repeat. So lifting plan will be constructed in 8 cross 8 and simply we are indicating 3 up 2 down 1 up 2 down 12 here. 3 up 2 down 1 up 2 down. You can make a diagonal line and then add 2 marks. So it becomes 3 up, then two blanks, then 1 up and then 2 down. So this is interlacing of first thread. Again, same for second thread, third thread, but they are advancing by 1 in the vertical direction. So either by using endwise method, pickwise method, or diagonal method, you can construct 3 up, 2 down, 1 up, 2 down 12 in place of lifting plan. Here I have taken 2 examples. The 12 is in 8 cross 8 here also, and the design is also 8 cross 8 here. If we are taking this type of draft in 8 cross 8, this 12 will be, we are getting. If you are taking this type of draft, it is resulting in this type of 12 with the same lifting plan. Here, this draft is constructed with group size 4. So you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 को हमने 4, 3, 2, 1 में convert किया and 5, 6, 7, 8 को हमने 8, 7, 6, 5 में convert किया है. Similarly here, 2, 1, 4, 3, 5. This is converted into 1, 2 is 2, 1, 3, 4 is 4, 3, 5, 6 is 6, 5, 7, 8 is 8, 7. So जो मैंने आपको पहले explain भी किया है just in the previous slide. हमने कैसे numbers method में लिया था. If group size is 4, it is final draft is 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 7, 6, 5. Just to remember it, I have written it on the draft. Numbers method भी मैंने यहाँ पे लिख दिया है. This is first draft 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 7, 6, 5. It is converted into graph paper method 4, 3, 2, 1, 8, 7, 6, 5. And by taking this as a draft, this as a lifting plan, you can construct the design. That method already you know how to construct a design if draft in lifting plan is given. So I think there is no need to explain it. Now all of you have understood how we can construct draft and view from given draft and lifting plan. So you can construct this after the class. Similarly, if we are taking group size 2, then we were getting a draft 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5, 8, 7. So I have just copied here 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5, 8, 7. And by by converting this draft from numbers method to graph paper method, 2, 1, 4, 3, 6, 5, 8, 7. So by taking this as a transpose draft, this as a draft, and this as a lifting plan, you can construct a design, and that will be a transposed or rearranged 12 in 8 cross 8. And this particular 12 is known by a name. You can note down it. I have forget to mention here. This particular 12 in 8 cross 8 with 3 up, 2 down, 1 up, 2 down interlacing order and group size of 2. If all these specifications are meet out, this particular effect, only this one, is known as Mayo or Campbell. M-A-Y-O, Mayo, or C-A-M-P-B-E-L-L, Campbell. Mayo or Campbell is the name given to this design only. Means every specification should be same. Means the order should be 3 up, 2 down, 1 up, 2 down, interlacing order. The design should be constructed in 8 cross 8 with group size 2. Only then it is known as Mayo or Campbell. Sometimes in the examination, it may be asked construct a Mayo or Campbell 12, Campbell weave. In that case, all these things will not be given. Na to size given hoga, na interlacing order given hoga. That you have to remember, because few designs are having their specific names, and it may be asked by their specific names. If it is asked construct a transposed wheel in 8 cross 8, then you can construct this one also, either this one or this one. कोई भी आप बना सकते. But if it is given construct a Mayo then you have to construct only this design. Is it clear? So 2 examples we have taken in which group size is 4 and 2, which is factor of n. So designs are constructed in the same size as the base 12. Now another example we are taking, transposed or rearranged. First we are constructing transposed or rearranged draft. So transpose and rearrange draft with group size 3. So if group size is 3 and the base 12 is 8, and n is 8, either you are taking 3 up 2 down, 1 up 2 down, or 4 up 4 down, whatever you are taking. If the n is 8 and group size is 3, then size can be calculated as we have taken in the previous slide. EPR will be LCM of G and N. So N is 8 and G is 3. So EPR will be 24 and PPR will be equal to N. So that is 8. And this is endwise transposition, means horizontal effect. Its counterpart can be also asked in the examination, construct a transposed tool in 8 cross 24. That means you have to construct a transpose vertical transpose tool. Transpose tool vertically means pickwise. So pickwise transposition you have to do. So that just you can tilt this in 90 degree. That effect will be same as that effect will show you a transpose tool in 8 cross 24. That example I will show you. So here again construct a straight draft because number of fields are 8 and we have EPR is 24. So the 8 will, this draft of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 will repeat for 3 times to make it 24 ends. 1 time, 2nd time, and 3rd time. So it will be total 24 ends per repeat. Now again make groups according to group size. So group size is 3. So 3 ends ka ek group banega. 1, 2, 3 first group, 4, 5, 6 second group, 7, 8, 1 third group, 2, 3, 4 fourth group, then 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, 2, then 3, 4, 5, and then 6, 7, 8. In this way, total we are getting 8 groups of 3 threads in 24 ends per repeat. And now, as we have done in the previous examples, construct a transpose draft just by rearranging or transposing the threads. So rearranging means 1, 2, 3 is rearranged as 3, 2, 1. Reverse it. 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4. 7, 8, 1, 1, 8, 7. 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 2. 5, 6, 7, 7, 6, 5. 8, 1, 2, 2, 1, 8. 3, 4, 5, 5, 4, 3. 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6. So this is a new draft known as transposed or rearranged draft in 24 ends per repeat. And I have converted this draft in numbers method here. 3, 2, 1, 6, 5, 4, 1, 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, then 7, 6, 5, then 2, 1, 8, then 5, 4, 3, and then 8, 7, 6. By taking this as a draft and the same 12, which we have taken in the previous case, 3 up, 2 down, 1 up, 2 down, this one is the lifting plan. You can construct the design, and that I have not constructed in the example. That is, you have to complete it. This will serve as the lifting plan. This will be a transpose draft in 24 cross 8. By taking this as a draft and that as a lifting plan, you can construct a transpose tool in 24 by 8. So in this way, I have taken 3 examples. 2 examples are used for the case when G is factor of n, and this is last example when G is not equal to, G is not factor of n. In that case, by taking LCM of n and G, we are deciding ends per repeat or picks per repeat, depending on the variation with the effect we have to construct. So all the 3 examples I have covered here with different group sizes possible in 8 cross 8. Similarly, you can construct other effects or other variety of designs by taking different interlacing order, different size of original twill, different group sizes, and construct variety of designs. If you have any question, you can ask here. All the 3 examples I have covered here: 8x8 with group size 4, 8x8 with group size 2, and 24x8 with group size 3. Design मैंने complete नहीं किया है. You have to construct the design because the main part is draft, and that I have constructed. So by taking this as a draft and a regular twill as a lifting plan, you can construct the design.
सर इसमें अपन डायरेक्ट पहले डिजाइन नहीं बना सकते हैं क्या?
डायरेक्ट डिजाइन थोड़ा मुश्किल होगा. देयर में भी चांसेस ऑफ मिस्टेक्स, बिकॉज आपको डायरेक्ट बन सकता है. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल आप यहाँ पर ले लें. अब आपको ग्रुप साइज 4 लेना है. आपको पता है 4 इसका फैक्टर है. तो आप ये जो 4 है इसको यहाँ से स्टार्ट करें. पहले ये जो 4th हिल में जो एंड अपने इंडिकेट किया है, ये अभी 4th एंड है और ओरिजिनल के अंदर. आप इसको सबसे पहले लेके आ जाएं. दिस विल बी फर्स्ट एंड, दिस विल बी थर्ड एंड, दिस इज सेकंड एंड, दिस विल बी थर्ड एंड, एंड दिस विल बी फोर्थ एंड. तो ये जो 1 2 3 4 है, इन थ्रेड्स को आप रीअरेंज करें 4 3 2 1 में. और फिर यहाँ पर जो 5 6 7 8 है उनको अगेन 8 7 6 5 में रीअरेंज करें. तो यू विल गेट द सेम इफेक्ट विदाउट कंस्ट्रक्टिंग ड्राफ्ट. बट जनरली दीज टाइप ऑफ ट्वेल्स आर इन द एग्जामिनेशन जनरली आस्क्ड विद ड्राफ्ट एंड लिफ्टिंग प्लान. तो अगर आप डायरेक्टली ट्वेल बना भी लेंगे तब भी आपको ड्राफ्ट और लिफ्टिंग प्लान तो बनाना ही होगा. Yeah, if by chance it is asked in the question that construct a view only, then you can construct. This Dhatu Singh is disturbing continuously. Call number 42.
Yes, sir.
Can you inform him?
सर मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ ये.
Who is that? कौन है फिर?
सर 42 नहीं कर रहा है, पर कोई और.
So Garvit, all the CRs, please notice that thing. Who is doing all these things?
सर नातू सिंह नहीं कर रहा है, 42 नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं.
Okay, कोई
मेरा
और भी
म्यूट
कर
है
रहा है.
सर.
Try to identify the person who is doing that. Then some other cases I am taking here, which are also resulting or which are also used to construct transpose twill. Transposition of alternate group can be done and effects may be similar as broken twills. जो अभी हमने transposition किया है, that was transposition of all the groups. If you remember, हमने यहाँ पे सारे ग्रुप्स को ट्रांसपोज किया हुआ है. 1 2 3 को 3 2 1 किया है, 4 5 6 को हमने 6 5 4 किया है, 7 8 1 को हमने 1 8 7 किया है, 2 3 4 को हमने 4 3 2 किया. सभी को हमने ट्रांसपोज या रीअरेंज कर दिया. Instead of that, some variety of effects of transposed twill can be produced by transposing alternate groups. But if you are doing this if you are following this method, then some effects may be similar as broken twills. कि broken twills में भी हम यही करते हैं. तो वहां पर और यहाँ पे डिफरेंस क्या है? यहाँ broken twill में हम एक को स्ट्रेट और एक को रिवर्स कर रहे हैं. यहाँ पे हम सबको रिवर्स कर सकते हैं या ऑल्टरनेट रिवर्स कर सकते हैं, या 2 ग्रुप को रिवर्स करें, एक ग्रुप को नहीं करें, या 2 को स्ट्रेट रखें, एक को रिवर्स करें. वी आर फ्री टू ट्रांसपोज एनी ग्रुप ऑफ थ्रेड्स इन केस ऑफ ट्रांसपोज ट्विल. बट इन केस ऑफ ब्रोकन ट्विल वी आर रिवर्सिंग ऑल्टरनेट ग्रुप्स. सो इफ यू आर यूजिंग ऑल्टरनेट ग्रुप, ट्रांसपोजिशन ऑफ alternate groups, then effects may be similar as broken twill. Like here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 is straight draft. ग्रुप साइज अगर हम 4 ले रहे हैं तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 ग्रुप्स बनेंगे. ऑल्टरनेट ट्रांसपोजिशन करने पे ऑल्टरनेटली ट्रांसपोज ड्राफ्ट बनेगा. तो यहाँ हमने क्या किया, फर्स्ट ग्रुप को ट्रांसपोज नहीं कर रहे हैं, वी आर कीपिंग इट सेम 1 2 3 4. सेकंड को हम ट्रांसपोज कर रहे हैं तो 5 6 7 8 विल बिकम 8 7 6 5. एंड यू कैन सी दिस इज सेम इज ब्रोकन ड्राफ्ट. So whatever the design we will construct with the help of this draft and regular twill as a lifting plan, that will be similar as broken twill. So broken twill is one type of transpose twill if we are using reversing method. Similarly group size 2 लेकर के भी हम alternately transpose draft बना सकते हैं. In that case again 1 2 को हमने straight रखा है, 4 3 को हमने reverse किया, फिर एक को straight रखा है, एक को हमने reverse किया. Alternately transpose draft. for if n is 8 and group size is 2. Similarly, group size is 3, then size is 24 by 8. Alternately transposed group can be alternately transposed draft can be constructed by taking one straight, one reverse, one straight, one transposed, one straight, one transposed, one straight, one transposed. And the effects will be similar as broken 12s in this case. These are the questions for your assignment. Construct an endwise transpose 12. यहाँ पे gap नहीं हुआ है, gap करना है. Construct an endwise transpose 12 in 12 cross 12 and construct a pickwise transpose 12 in 12 cross 12. That you have to do in assignment. So endwise transposition means आपको warpwise threads का transposition करना है और यहाँ पे pickwise transposition करना है threads का. जैसे हमने 1 2 3 ends को 3 2 1 किया है, यहाँ पर हम pickwise में 1 2 3 pick को 3 2 1 कर दें. In that way, you have to construct these two questions in assignment. So this is all about the this modification known as transpose or rearrange 12s. Still we have 5 minutes. So if you have any question with respect to this topic or any topic which we have covered previously in modifications of 12, if you have any doubt, you can ask. I'm just repeating slides. So if you remind some question from that slide, you can ask. Any question from this slide? The 12s are produced by means of transposition or by means of rearrangement of original order of the threads of regular 12. रेगुलर ट्विल का जो ओरिजिनल ऑर्डर है उसको रीअरेंज या ट्रांसपोज करके जो भी ट्विल्स हम बनाते हैं, दोस ट्विल्स आर नोन एज ट्रांसपोज्ड और रीअरेंज्ड ट्विल्स. एंड ट्रांसपोजिशन पॉसिबल दोनों साइड से है, वार्प वाइज भी एंड वेफ्ट वाइज भी. Then here we have taken construction steps. First we construct transpose draft, then we construct take plan by taking base twill or original twill, and then we construct transpose twill from this constructed draft and lifting plan. But how we construct transpose draft, that is the only thing which you have to learn for transpose twill. Otherwise, more or less, it is similar with broken twill, which we have already covered. So here first we decide group size. For example, we have taken 12 cross 12 in your assignment. So if 12 cross 12 we are taking, suppose it is given construct a transpose twill in 12 cross 12, then what will be the group size? What should be the group size? Any student? जो मैंने क्वेश्चन दिया असाइनमेंट में 12 क्रॉस 12, उसके लिए आप ग्रुप साइज कर लेंगे
2 3 4 6.
Very good. 2 3 4 6 anyone can be taken as the group size. Very good. But 5 cannot be taken because 5 और 8 का फिर आपको 5 is not factor of 8, so उसका फिर आपको LCM लेके बनाना पड़ेगा. So if the group size is 5 with n equal to 8, then the design will be constructed in 40 cross 8. So you can take either 3 or 4, 2 or 3 or 4. Generally, we prefer less than n equal to n by 2 or less than n by 2. That will be easier to construct. So by taking 2 or 3 or 4, any group size, you can construct in 12 cross 12. Or even you can construct all the 3 variations by taking group size 2, by taking group size 3, and by taking group size 4. And how we construct transpose draft, that is given in these steps, and that will be very easy and correct method. Chances of mistakes will be minimum if you follow these steps. So पहले आप straight draft बना लें, that will be better. जैसे आपको 12 में बनाना है तो 1 to 12 straight draft बना लें, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. अब अगर आप group size 2 ले रहे हैं तो 1 2 का एक ग्रुप बनेगा, 3 4 का एक ग्रुप बनेगा, 5 6 का एक बनेगा, 7 8 का एक बनेगा, 9 10 का एक बनेगा, 11 12 का एक बन जाएगा, 6 ग्रुप्स बन जाएंगे। अगर आप 3 ले रहे हैं तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 ऐसे ग्रुप्स बनेंगे। और अगर आप 4 ले रहे हैं तो 1 2 3 4 देन 5 6 7 8 देन 9 10 11 12 इस तरह से बनेंगे। और अगर ये कंप्लीटली ट्रांसपोज्ड है, जो हमने ऑर्डिनरी ट्रांसपोज जो है, तब तो आप इसमें बना सकते हैं। बट इफ इट इज ऑल्टरनेटली ट्रांसपोज्ड, ऑल्टरनेटली में आप ये पॉइंट ध्यान रखें, मुझे 12th साइज से ध्यान आया है, आप हमेशा ध्यान रखें अगर 3 ग्रुप ऑड नंबर में ग्रुप बन रहे हैं, जैसा कि आपने अभी 4 के ग्रुप से देखा केवल 3 ग्रुप बन रहे हैं, अगर आपको ऑल्टरनेटली बनाना है इसमें ऑल्टरनेटली नहीं बन पाएगा, क्योंकि आप पहले को अगर स्ट्रेट रखेंगे और दूसरे को रिवर्स करेंगे, फिर तीसरा वापस स्ट्रेट हो जाएगा, तो 2 स्ट्रेट एक रिवर्स हो जाएगा। तो ऐसे केस में आपको साइज को डबल करना पड़ेगा, 12 के बजाय आपको 24 में जाना पड़ेगा अगर ग्रुप्स ऑड नंबर में बन रहे हैं। तो दैट पॉइंट ऑल्सो यू हैव टू कंसीडर। So this is all about transposed or rearranged tool, students. Thank you so much. And class representative